Hey there YouTube world. Today I'm going to show you how I installed a quartz halogen headlight conversion kit in the headlights of my Model A. Join me, shall you? Okay, here's the kit we're going to use. Let's open this thing up and see what's in it. It's got a couple 3-prong connectors. It's got the adapters for the headlight bulbs. And it's got some quartz halogen lights. Two set of instructions and an alcohol wipe to clean the bulbs off when you're done. So the instructions say remove any existing socket from the center of the reflector. That would be this here. There we go, we got it. Here's the other reflector. This one has 2 in it, but we're gonna leave this one. See if I can do this time without knocking the camera over. There we go, got it. Removed. Take the dent out that I put in it. Now the instructions say we need to punch, drill, or file the existing hole to a 1-inch diameter. Let's use this step bit. So I like to mark the step with a black pen, so when I'm drilling I can see which notch I need to go to. One inch. 1 inch. Straighten my hole out a little bit. This one looks pretty good. Let's clean these fragments up just a little bit. There we go, we got the sharp edges filed off. Let's move to step 3. Okay, step 3, it says install the new quartz halogen socket with the press nut on the back side. The smaller dot on the socket is up. Here's the socket. Here's the press nut. There's a little dot right there. We want that to point up. Okay, there's a little notch right here in the lens. That points to the right side. So this is on the right, this would be up. We got the dot pointed up. We're going to press Okay, I like to use a socket as a stand. So when I press on this, I'm not trying to hold it up. I also like to use another socket, slips over this, to help push the press nut down. Okay, let's do that to the second one. Same thing. We want the dot pointed up, and we want the notch in this reflector pointed to the right. There we go, we got the notch on the right, and we got the dot pointed up. Both of these are installed. Step 4. The drawing below shows the quartz halogen bulb as seen from the back. Make connections as shown. Step 5. After the installation is complete, clean the quartz halogen bulb glass with enclosed alcohol wipe. Do not touch the bulb with bare fingers as the bulb is cleaned. You don't want oils on these light bulbs or they'll create hot spots and burn out prematurely. Okay, here's the wiring diagram for the light bulb. Tan wire is the low beam, the green wire is the high beam, and the black wire is the ground. Here's the 3-prong pigtail. Let's trim these down just a little bit shorter. They don't need to be this long. Okay, here's the wires coming out of my headlight bucket. These wire colors might vary on your car. Let's strip these wires. Strip the wires on the pigtail. Let's give them the twist so we don't have any stray strands of wire holding us up from the connectors. Okay, we need to connect the brown to the brown. I bet you thought I was going to use this wire nut. Let's put some butt connectors on these wires. Let's use some proper crimpers. Let's hook the pigtail up, brown to brown, green to green, and let's hook the ground up. Okay, here we go. We got the butt connectors crimped. All the colors match. Let's heat these connectors up and shrink them. We got these heat shrink connectors heated up and now they're nice and sealed around the wires. Let's get one of these bulbs out and put it in the reflector. This little bail wire comes down, the bulb goes in. It's got 3 slots that line up with these tabs of the bulb. And then the bail flips back over the bulb and goes down into these notches. There we go, we got the bulb installed. The bail is clipped into these notches. It's nice and tight in there. Let's hook the pigtail up. Here's the notch on the side of the bucket, which goes to the right. there's a little tab in the headlight bucket right here that notch goes into. You hear it? There it goes. Let's put the lens back on. Okay, we got one done. Let's go do the other side. Let's even these wires up. Get our connector socket. Shorten the wires. Strip. Twist. Twist. Crimp. Shrink. Let's put the bulb in this one. Let's not forget to clean the bulb with the alcohol wipe before we put it back together. Okay, we got the notch, goes to the right. Let's hook the socket up. Let's put the cover back on. I gotta pretend like I'm cleaning the lights because I didn't clean them before I put them together. And then I took them back apart, cleaned them up. Here's a little tip. If you want to buy replacement bulbs and you don't want to buy them from the Model A supplier and wait a week to get them, you can peel this label back off the box. And here's your part number. Use your Google machine and you could probably have them within a day. Okay, it was that easy. It didn't take a whole lot of effort to change these bulbs out and put something in here that's going to be bright enough that I'm actually going to be able to see where I'm going at night. What do you think I should do next to this car? Let me know in the comment section. Until next time, let's keep this history in motion. Roll the credits.